mistake. Oh, what? I think we must just leave mothers alone, eh? The mothers that don't want to be in the children's lives, they must be left alone. Ngathi sibafakele ukushisa. Mom doesn't celebrate any of my achievements like zero. It's okay. Hayi, it's okay. Ngeke phela. Oh, sazi uncenge umuntu okuzalile ukuthi makokwenzela izinto ey'ncane like celebrating you. Awu, Jehova, awungeke. Sithwele kanzima. Hayi, guys. I'm trying to see if the people that are requesting. I see a lot of fake accounts here requesting. So, where you find? Okay, there we go. And even discipline bootcamp for toxic parents bahambe bayohlala khona for 3 months bazogeza inhliziyo. Yazi une-point ubaba umlodo makayenze something nabazali abanje.
Hi, Ndando.
How are you, sister?
I'm good. How are you? Bese
Ngiyaphila.
ngilala phela.
Ungalali ungeke story.
Oh, umsebenzi ekuseni sis.
Asikisi vele ushaye isamari bese uyolala-ke.
Summary ithi yathi batali ba toxic. So, makwami nababa wami, my parents broke up when I was little, like I was so young. So I stayed with my mom and my grandma. So my dad was just raising his other kids because polygamy, you know. So my mom passed. My grandmother continued to raise me, and she was struggling. So I would go to my father. He was doing well. So I would go to my father and say, "Can I like maybe 300 rand to buy like impupu to so my brain I can have something to eat before we sleep." I mean, like, no, I'm not gonna support you and your grandmother. Me and your mom broke up, so I'm not gonna support you. If you want me to support you, you need to move this side. Mind you, he's already married to 2 other women. So if I move, I have to stay with the stepmom, which I tried. It wasn't a great experience. So my grandmother struggled, and she also passed away. My sister raised me, and for God is so amazing. My sister got a job in Secunda Sasol. She was working, she was providing for me, and then I moved to Secunda with my sister, obviously, because I can't stay to Nelspruit with my dad, because obviously he's not doing
There's just a lot
anything.
going on also.
Yeah. So I moved, stayed with my sister. She was taking care of me. I also learned to stand up on my own 2 feet. I would work like a part-time restaurant, waitressing, get that money and do stuff. And then now, as the children that he neglected are working very well.
Yeah.
I tell you, this dude now knows exactly when I get paid. Exactly when I get paid, he will call that day and he will come up with a story of some sickness. Hey, I'm sick, and this and this and this. And I prayed about it, and I was like, you know what? I need to forgive him for me, but I can still see the toxicity, like it's still there. So now he's like, I had daddy issues, like, oh, I would date the wrong people because I needed that love thing. It was just a mess. Now he's like, when I get paid, he will call and say, I need this and this and this. And this time I asked him, like, really, you expect me to provide for you? Now he's no longer working. He's got some sicknesses that he's mentioned. And now parents like are so toxic. He'll be like, yeah, when I die, if you don't support me now when I'm alive, when I die, you will go to my grave and beg for my forgiveness.
Please, Bagit, you are so toxic in your weakest states, you are still toxic as a parent. I bandla.
And knowing him, like I know his heart, ne? He's not a good person. If I want be grudge, you want be grudge. Like you'll do that. Cause like
But
I
when
think Ekaya, like
okay, you never be grudging Amagamatsini when you did not do that, when he abandoned you and your
Pela
and your parent and your sister.
Pela Manje, like it's like he's acting so naive. He's acting like he did his best. No,
What
yeah,
bestie?
now I'm old. You know, like yeah, people who are toxic, like it's just like you look at them and be like, I'm so shocked. Like you think of that, like you think you're that, like what is happening? Yeah, so now I don't want. Well, like you take immediately and water and go to my grave and beg for my forgiveness, and nothing will. Oh,
Yo,
and
I am
guess
so
what?
dead.
I do give him money because I'm like, that's the only parent I have.
You
And
what?
now it's a pity my mom didn't get to experience.
Ima. Utini, Uti, you give him money.
I do give him money because this dude blackmails me. And I don't want ancestors to be mad at me.
Oh, my sister. Ah.
I do give him money. Oh, so now he'll be like, oh, now it's Good Friday. So everyone is like, I'm going to be off work like till Thursday until the next Monday. He's like, oh, come home. We need to go to the cemetery to clean the cemetery, and everyone should be home. I'm like, it cost me so much to go home, like waste my petrol,
How do you feel
drive,
how do you like
go
speak so
home.
like you are so chilled about this whole thing? And in my head I'm just like, this is actually quite a big thing. Like this person literally didn't want you and he went to support his other
And
kids.
they
And
went to
when
school, like his other kids like are very educated. My half siblings, they're very educated because they had that love from my dad, and he was good then. I never went to school because when I passed my grade 12, went to him with my certificate. I was like, I passed. Can you take me to school because I want to do this course? He was like, I will never take a girl child to school because I'll take you to school and you're gonna study, and then after that some guy is gonna marry you, and then what do I get? I was like,
okay, so when are you giving this person money?
I
The person that
do.
has said all of these things to you, the person is supposed to
Yes,
be a protector. The person is supposed to take care
I
of you
do.
and love you.
I'm an enabler.
I see. Tina, we don't know what to tell you at this point. Ngaphandle kokuthi usondele sikushaye.
At this point, you know what I'm telling myself, or I'm lying to myself. But I went to therapy about this anyway. You know what people will tell you, forgive them, not for them,
Yeah, but
but for
forgiving,
you.
it's not an issue. Yeah, you still can forgive and still choose to distance yourself from that kind of a situation. Because what's the point of having to go through therapy and heal and accept and embrace and do all of these things and go through all of these healing stages only for you to go back to the same situation? What's the point?
Yeah, I
Hi,
don't
my
know.
sister. Hi,
I don't know.
so every month when you get paid, you send him money.
And I get paid fortnight. So he knows he jumps
Okay,
a
but
week.
how does he know all of this information? Are you also feeding him this information?
No, because we have a group chat with my other siblings. Oh, me and his other kids, my half siblings, we get along fine. Like we build our own relationship aside from him, you know. So like we have a group, we share our achievements. Like we get together with our kids because we don't do it for him, but we do it for us and our
I never
kids. But
betray, but because
meaning
they know
they
that your
give
relationship
him the
wasn't that good.
information.
Bahamba bayomnikeza yona.
Yeah.
Nkosi yami, you're actually such a better person than me. Kodwa nje angeke kuphele kuphethe kahle. Ngeke.
I once said we had a meeting, him and my siblings, because we figured that he was just causing chaos. He would go to those ones and say, the other one said this, and then like he was just causing chaos. So we held a meeting. So I was like, you know what, my achievements, I owe them to my sister. Like besides that, I owe nobody anything. So no one is just allowed to ask me for anything, but when they do, I do give them. And I figured, like, the way it happens for me, the more I give, the more it comes back.
I sis, have a backbone. Know when to give, know when to stop,
I
know
do
who to
know when
give.
to give.
You can't, you still can give to anybody else and still receive the blessings back to you. Laphayana. Aye.
But the worst part is I got married 2016. Ne?
Ha, you even have a husband. Husband that I kuz.
He's got other stories as well. We both come from toxic background.
Oh, nilunge kabi.
Two
Ngizomshayela
toxic
lowo mndeni.
people.
Ngizomshayela lowo mndeni.
When I like he sent the letter, he was like, okay, he wrote the letter, and he was like, who do I give the letter to? I was like, obviously, the only parent I have is my dad. So I gave it to my dad, and I was so heartbroken that the lobola money is going to him. But anyway, so
Hayi phela ay hey Jehovah. Hayi ngazini.
you give up on me there. I give up on myself every time when I think about the
Hayi.
things that he's done to me. And I think, like, through
That you
therapy,
have to.
I just learned to just let it go. Whatever that he did to me, it didn't affect me. I think it made me stronger in a sense. It made me push even harder to want to be a better person. Like, I didn't allow
Better person.
a person for me and my child. But he still ripped the
Oh, mina
band.
ngiyakujaja
Yeah,
Shem.
I judge
Mina.
myself. Don't worry. I judge myself.
Ngiyakujaja mina.
I judge myself all the time. And my sister is not like me. My sister is just like, fuck this shit. I'm not doing that. Like, I know. It should be like, no, no, I'm not doing that. I'd be like, oh, some relative, they passed. She'd be like, take your car and go. I'm not going. I don't know these people. I don't like them. I'd be like, oh,
Ngiyamthanda-ke usisi wakho. Nalento abayibiza i-backbone.
yeah, but I,
Gogodla.
if it wasn't for
Uyawudinga
me,
nawe.
if it wasn't for me, my sister and my other sibling wouldn't have a relationship. I think I just pull her closer to
Why
them.
ungahambeli uyi-one wena
I
emathuneni ngoba ufika ethuneni
know.
wedwa.
She can't. I'm a last born. She can't let me leave by
So
myself.
what? Wena sibona mara somdala, you can
She
make
has
your
to
own
come with
decisions.
me.
And when you make your decisions, umdala manje, the fact that you could decide that you want to marry someone or you agreed to marry someone who wanted to
Yeah.
marry you. Mawukwazi ukwenza lawo ma-decision, you can make any other decisions without having to seek for support from your sisters.
Hey,
Umdala.
when I got married, I was still hurt. Well, when I got married, I was still hurt because when the time came that I must pick up
So
the money
ima-ke
and give it to the.
le mali yamalobola wayijabulela yeza kuyi.
Yes, he cried.
Ukhalelani?
He didn't think he was gonna get it. I That's the thing, because my mother's side, like, the family is just few. My grandma just had two daughters. My mom passed, and my grandma passed, and it's only like my mother's sister left. So
Wena
it's
ngasiyahlanya wena. Yabona
ngiyahlanya
wena.
vele ngo, I judge myself. Oh, I judge Hashem. I judge myself.
Okay. Yazini. Angifake ngabe siyahleka. Ayihlekisi le ndaba. Ayihlekisi kaMantela because
Ngoba sihleki
why?
ngoba sihleki ngoba seshona phela. Ngoba sagowa.
I,
But
you know what? Clearly, we are just different human beings. We are built differently. We take things differently. We look at things with a different eye. But I mean, this kind of a situation, I mean, no one is actually agreeing with you. I mean, no one has to, but Aibo, my sister.
yo, I think therapy made me this
Actually,
soft.
me and Wakwe, when you busy doing all of these things.
Well, again, as long as you're doing it with your money, it doesn't affect him.
Good night, yes.
Nice.
Sizokuthandazela thina. Sizokuthandazela.
Please,
Ngoba
guys,
no
pray
way.
for me. Judge, just pray for me.
Ngeke sizokuthandazela. No ways. Oh,
Bye,
Shem,
babes.
you are actually a kind person. I can't, you know, kindness, I'm saying my limits these days because ngikhathele lo mdlalo wabantu, so.
Mara, for me, I feel like it does pay off, because I think me forgiving him opened like a lot of doors for me.
Forgiveness does not mean that you still need to
Okay,
succumb.
me giving him something when I think he needs it, or even if he's lying to me, as long as I'm giving. Kufana nalabantu laba lobathola e-taxi rank, babe like, oh, my sister ngicela imali yesinkwa in. I give them, but knowing very well ukuthi maybe uyakobhema or something.
Leyo nto leyo, lo muntu awumazi akakwazi. This person is supposed to be your parent. This person was supposed to give you love and nurture you and take care of you and protect you, and he failed intentionally, not because maybe he didn't have means at the time. He failed to do that as a parent.
Yeah.
Akufani ngiyakujaja mina futhi, yes, and
And then you justify ne?
and umenzela
Nonsense.
ama-excuse, yes, and uyangikwatisa.
Judge me, Dado, it's fine. Judge me, babes, it's fine. It's
Also,
fine.
you know what? A part of me does not judge you because I think it's part of the stage. It's part of the process, right?
Yeah.
Let's say stages. So we're in denial, you're trying to make things work, and you really believe that things are going to be okay, and you are not understanding. Mongaphelelwa umsebenzi manje, tell me ukuthi uzogijima lo baba akufonele or akhulume something or communicate
Oh no,
with
I know
me.
he won't. I know he won't.
But
now also I'm thinking like he's old, he's gonna die anytime soon. So I don't want any bad blood between me and the dead.
Good night, sis. Yes.
Good night.
Hi, how ngiyakujaja Shem. Ngiyamjaja ugere ngeke. Guys, I put his name